So this is all the area behind, you can see me. So this is the area actually. Tomorrow inshallah by 9 tomorrow morning. Hello kids, ¿cómo está? Good. What are you doing? You are playing with the mud? With the... Yes, that's good. That's good. We are enjoying it. So here actually our nursery, the platform, the beds are ready. So inshallah tomorrow we are going to plant all the areas, including this one. So tomorrow by 9-10 o'clock in the morning I must come, and then we will plant in this open field. So this will be the second time that since we are here in Philippines, we are going to plant the rice fields. So it's a nice, interesting experience so far. So I'm happy that I'm having this experience aside from what I had experienced in the past. So we always learn in our life, and like this kind of stuff, you know, it's very healthy to learn, because this is natural things for the human kind when it started on this planet. So this was our basic start, that how our forefathers, our elders, when they started the generations long time back. So this is our main job of agriculture, farming, and so this is our two of our beautiful cows. They're having good time over here. So yes, she's good. You want to give me way? Excellent. She's strangling the feet. It's okay. They are used to, they will recover. So inshallah I will catch you up in tomorrow morning. So wish you all the best till tomorrow. Thank you.